Hey there! Want to see something cool? Let's make a levitating coffee table. So I start by cutting this huge chain into smaller bits. Then I attach these smaller pieces to this square frame. Check out this cool pattern I just made with shapes. This is such a beautiful process to witness. Now I smoothen the edges I welded. Next, it's time to attach it to the frame. You're about to see an incredible trick. Welding the chains together will keep the hexagon-shaped piece suspended in the middle. I'm almost there. This is starting to take shape, right? I also spray the table so it becomes shiny. Same goes for the wood too. Check it out! It's a masterpiece. Enjoyed making this tool? Then like and follow Crafty Panda to enjoy more videos like this.